Hi guys, this is Arvind from #gadgets and today I am going to unbox Ultraprolink Flick. Let's check out what are the inbox elements. At first we see a user guide. And then we see the device itself, Ultraprolink Flick. Also inside the box we get the aux cable and the charging cable. At the side of the device we get multifunction buttons. The multifunction buttons are used for play, pause and for call receiving and call declining, and even for tuning into radio stations. Here's the sound output that we recorded. And the main highlight of the device is that it gets converted into the speaker as well. The device also provides the SD card option too, just in case the user don't want to switch into the Bluetooth mode. The Ultraprolink Flick is available for around 4000 Indian rupees.